So allow me to answer that all important questions that a lot of you want to know. What foods do you need to eat in order for you to lose belly fat? Let's discuss that here on Exchange for Gains.
Let's exchange your mind up, Let's exchange for what? Exchange for gains. Join that gym, get lost to the moment. Let's turn that to a lifestyle. We ain't getting any younger. Why fall to the side and lie down? Give it those plates, I'll push that. The only food that I put in my body be good. I don't wanna look bug when I look back. I wanna look ram. This trend to get fitness, trust to the process.
Let's jump straight into it. What does it take in order for you to lose that belly fat? What does it take in order for you to lose that substantial amount of weight? What does it take in order for you to lose those love handles? What does it take for you to be able to walk on the beach in that lovely bikini and feel no shame, confident, and just smiling all the time? What does it take for you to be able to see those visible abs walking around with the 25-year-olds when you're 45 and feel no way? First things first, let me get this clear. Let's get this clear. You cannot spot target belly fat. Don't think, don't get sucked in by videos on the net or on YouTube saying you can lose belly fat just alone or nowhere else. You cannot. It's impossible. If you're going to lose weight or belly fat, the more likelihood is you're going to lose fat other parts of your body. It may take you some time to lose, fat around the belly, but eventually you will get there. Don't think just because you do, you're eating this type of food or that type of food, or you're doing this type of exercise or that type of exercise, you're going to lose fat just around the midsection. It's not going to happen. It's not. You may lose it, but you're going to lose fat and weight elsewhere as well. So make sure you have that in mind when you're trying to do lose any form of belly fat. You won't just lose it within the midsection. You're going to have to lose weight across your body in general. Right about now, my top 5 foods that help me stay lean all year round are the following: chicken breasts, eggs, oats, sweet potatoes, and water. So that's chicken breast, eggs, oats, sweet potatoes, and water. Reason being, these are the type of foods that will keep me full throughout the day. Not only are they low in calories, but they're quite high in volume. For example, so if I'm having a lean meat, i.e. chicken breast or steak, I can just have that with a little bit of veg or a little bit of salad, and I'm fine. That will hold me up until if that's for dinner, that will hold me up throughout the night. If I'm having breakfast, I will have oats with some almond milk. Rather than going for my full fat milk, I'll go for almond milk, which is lower in calories. Again, that will last me for at least mid-morning to lunchtime. Lunchtime, I might go for eggs or egg whites in a bagel. Again, rather than going for your standard bagel, I'll go for a wholemeal bagel. But those 5 foods are the main foods that I would say I consume in order for me not only to remain lean all year round, but even throughout my journey. It's helped me reach the goal where I am today. Yes, again, you have to be in a caloric deficit in order for you to lose any form of weight or any form of body fat. But these foods will help you feel full. Literally, they will help you feel full. And with that, you won't need to binge. You won't need to go in the biscuit jar. You won't need to go for the packet of crisps. You won't, crave for that Fanta or that Diet Coke or the Sprite. Just substitute that with water. Literally, I'm not saying you should do this every single day. But if you've done that 5 days per week, right? Be in your caloric deficit 5 days per week. Do a little bit of exercise with that, maybe 3 or 4 times per week with the gym sessions. Your belly fat will go. I'll repeat, you do that, eat clean, be in a caloric deficit, add those 5 foods that I've just recommended to your diet, do that 5 days per week, and I guarantee, over a period of time, your belly fat will go. First, what you need to know is when you're doing any form of diet or trying to lose fat, the key thing is high volume, low calories. High volume, low calories. For example, if you're having something like a fizzy drink, right? I'm not too big on fizzy drinks. I've never been a fan of fizzy drinks. However, rather than getting your standard Coca-Cola, go for a 0-calorie Coke. No calories. Rather going down KFC or something like that, go for a chicken breast, which is more of a high protein meat rather than your KFC that's got all the battering around and all the fat and all the grease. Low calories meals is your ideal point. So for example, my top tip when it comes to any form of meat would be chicken breast or steaks. They are fairly low in calories, but they're high in protein. That is what you need. Something that's low in calories and high in protein. Also eat a lot of oats. You know, oats again is a great form of carb. Again, it's fairly low in calories, but it's quite high in terms of its volume, and it will keep you full for a long time. This is the key, people. Try to consume foods that will keep you full for a long time. For example, rice. Rather than going for the white rice, yes, white rice can taste nice, can taste good, go for the brown rice. Go for the brown rice. It's the more healthier option, and again, it will keep you quite full throughout the day. So my people, if you're feeling this channel, feel free to like, share, comment, subscribe. Add me up on Instagram, it's at @DaronOfficial. I'm on Twitter, I'm on TikTok as well. Like I said, when it comes to foods, again, there's no specific, I would say, magic foods when it comes to losing any form of body fat. I would say eat healthy, keep your volume high, and your calories low. That is the key. Until next time, we'll catch up. Peace.
Wait, no support, can you in the right place, we'll hope it rolls. Exchange for gains. Move it, Karen. Time I make those lifestyle changes. Do it like Darren. Wake